Hi students, this lecture will be about peer review for Essay 1. So let me go ahead and do this. So your peer review would be the same for every essay after this, but I wanted to give you guys a video just because it can be confusing and I just wanted to make sure that we're on the same page. So the way it's going to work is you are going to post your essay, and it can be in draft obviously, as a reply. You do want to make sure that you have at least 2 pages completed so you can get as much feedback from peers as you want. And as you'll notice, like most of discussions, there's 2 due dates. The first one is when you need to submit your draft by, and you want to make sure you hit that date because you need to give your peers time to actually be able to read it and give you feedback. And then the second date is when your feedback is due on a peer. Now you only need to reply to 1 peer, and you want to make sure it's an essay that hasn't been reviewed yet. Now, if all of the essays posted have been reviewed, just pick one. But usually that's not the case. So you want to pick an essay that has not yet been reviewed, so that everybody gets a chance to review. So I'm going to pull up an old essay of mine. And so the way you would do this is you would hit reply. And then you'll see it opens up a text box. So I'm going to go to an essay I wrote like way back in my undergrad. I'm going to copy the essay, and then I'm just going to paste it into the body of this. Okay. So here's all that. And then I'm going to get rid of this so that it's not in the way. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to post it. Boom. So here is my post, right? This would be my bare bones essay that I would post. Now I'm a peer, right? And I'm looking through this and I'm like, oh, I need to find an essay to review. And then as you'll see, I also have, these are the 5 questions that you need to answer for peer review, and you do need to answer each of them. And do a thorough job. Don't just say yes, no, it's good. Aim for like 3 sentences per question just to give the peer as much feedback as you can. So the way you can do that is you just copy this and then you would paste it. So here's an essay that I see that someone posted and no one has reviewed it yet. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to reply to this post, right? So I'm going to do that. And then I would just copy and pasted the questions from above here. I'm going to paste those into this. And then what I would do is I would just answer the questions right here. So you can just say, you know, and be like specific. So was, you know, the first question is the assignment fulfillment. So was the essay, did it have analysis of the reading? Does it meet the minimum requirements? So that's where you would kind of read it and then put your answers here. And you do that for each different one. So answer goes here. And so on and so forth, okay? And then when you were done, you would post it. And as you can see, it looks like I have reviewed this. So, so that's basically how you'll do a peer review. And that's how we'll do peer review for the rest of the semester. So if you guys have any questions, please do let me know. Thanks.